You better leave my kitchen alone. You better leave my kitchen alone. Then have a toe big for brutal. You better leave me how long. You better leave my kitty alone. I better leave my kitty alone. This is not gonna get you if don't you leave how long. Well, next to dog, I'm going to wait to top of your head. This guy is gonna miss you. He's gonna beat you by the head. Don't leave you. I'll keep you alone. When I told him big for brutal, you better leave her alone.